Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kendra. If you're an OG, thank you so much for coming back and watching this video. Just wanted to pop in and tell you guys Happy New Year, but also wanted to put an official video out because I have not done my due diligence on this topic, and I want to apologize to you guys. Seriously. I thought that the information I'm going to be showing you today was something that was already well known, but I was sadly mistaken. So I want to go ahead and put out a video, put it on my website so that you guys will have it as a reference. And so if you guys are interested, you read the title and you want to understand how this all works, keep on watching. Alright, you guys, so we're going to be talking about measuring your locks for lock beads. Not lock sprinkles, but lock beads, okay? You guys, I honestly, like I said earlier, I thought that this was something that was already well known. So when I launched my website, I launched my lock beads, I just was under the assumption that everyone knew, you know, how to figure out the size of their locks. But, no, I was wrong, because the most frequent asked questions that I get is, how do I know which size lock beads to buy? Now, I will tell you that I do specialize in smaller lock beads because I'm trying to cater to those with sister locks and smaller micro locks, tiny locks in general, because there's not a lot out there for us. So I wanted to bring us some variety. However, I do have some lock rings, some lock beads that will fit like 4mm, 5mm, 6mm. I think I have all the way up to 8mm. So if your locks are kind of traditional and you can fit an 8mm, then I have those. I am working on getting larger ones. Unfortunately, my distributors don't make beads that are large enough for like thicker locks, as far as like the different styles that I have on my website. But I'm working on it, so hopefully we will have that in 2024. We will see. But I wanted to officially show you guys how to measure your locks to figure out which size lock beads you need to purchase. All right, and so all that you're going to need for this is a millimeter ruler. Okay, if you have one of those hard brown rulers, that is fine. This came in my like needle and thread kit that I bought from like Walmart or something like that. Now, before we get into measuring, I will tell you that my locks, I have different sizes in my hair. I can do a 1.5mm all the way up to a 3mm. It just depends on which lock I choose to put the lock beads in. So when I do wear certain lock beads, I am very particular on which locks I put it on, because obviously some may be too big for some locks and then others may be too small for some locks. So keep that in mind. Not all of my locks are the same size throughout. So, all right, you guys, let's jump right into this. Again, I apologize. This video will be on my website for reference for anyone. And if you guys have any questions, I'll always reference this when I answer your questions. So let's jump right into it. I'm going to zoom in so that you guys can see a little bit better. All right, you guys, so when you're shopping for your lock beads, and it's not just my website, any site that I have come across that sells lock beads, they always put them in millimeters. So I have my ruler here. Inches are here, and then the centimeters are down here, and in between the centimeters are the millimeters, and that's what we're going to be using. It's really simple, you guys. I'm going to take one of my locks, and the way that you measure it is you literally just place it on the ruler. So for instance, I'm going to count from this line all the way to this line, and that's going to tell me how many millimeters my locks are. So it's 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, that my locks is sitting on top of. All right, so this is a smaller one of my locks, and as you can see, it's super tiny, and it's probably only taking up 1mm, right? So I could probably do a 1mm or 1.5 on this lock, and this one would be a 3mm. And that's it, you guys. It's so easy to do. I think that's why I thought that it was kind of like common knowledge, but I'm glad I was able to do this video to show you guys exactly how I measure and how you should be measuring your locks to figure out which size lock beads to purchase. Hope this video was helpful. If you guys have any questions, comment below, let me know. If you have any questions about the lock beads, comment below and I will be happy to answer them. As always, I'll talk to you guys down below in the comment section. Happy New Year. Love you guys. Be safe. Bye.